In primetime news this evening, Prime Minister breaks silence on Jamaica parting ways with the British monarchy. Upset in St. Andrew community over new housing development. And man charged for a 6-year-old's killing in Tex Lane this week.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your views on the non-inclusion of entertainment events in the revised COVID-19 measures? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and tweet us at televisionjam1. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.